Hello everybody, this is Brendan from LemTask. In this video, I'll walk you through the best two setup for daily tasks. Not the most powerful setup, not the most organized setup, but the setup that actually works day after day without friction. If you've ever felt like task apps get heavily fast, this will make sense. The most important rule with twos is this: we keep everything in one list. There's no separate work list, no personal list, no planning list. One place. Twos works best when you can open it and see everything at once. Here's what it looks like. I'll add a few items. A quick task. A quick note. And so on and so forth. Then I can go to my task and set a reminder to it. Here I'll select the date. Let's select tomorrow. I can scroll down, decide if I want to repeat, get an alert, a calendar, and so on. Reminder's been added. Notice, I am not deciding what belongs where. I am just capturing. This matters because every extra list adds a decision, and decisions slow you down. Twos is strongest when scanning takes seconds, not minutes. The second rule is just as important. Do not over-organize twos. This is where most people break it. They try to add structure, and they add more structure, and then suddenly they're managing the app instead of doing the work. Twos isn't designed for heavy organization. It's designed to hold your thoughts until you can act on them. Messy is okay, yeah. Incomplete is also okay, yeah. And finally, temporary is just as fine. If you feel the urge to reorganize, pause. That's usually a sign you're avoiding execution. Let the list stay simple on purpose. Twos only works if you use it daily. Not perfectly, just consistently. So here's a simple daily flow. I turn this note into a to-do and to-do. In the morning, you scan the list. You do not redesign your day. You just start. And as things come up, you can add to them. And so on and so forth. When something is done, you just check it off. That's it. No planning session, no weekly reset, just a running conversation with today. Two shines on reactive days, when plans change and work shows up unexpectedly. Now, another benefit is the end of day look. You can see some tasks are done and some aren't. And that's perfectly fine. Twos doesn't punish you for unfinished work. What matters is that nothing disappears. You can see what moved forward, you can see what didn't, and tomorrow starts fresh. There's no guilt baked into the system, just continuity. And that's why people stick with it. So this setup works because it's light. There's no maintenance, no configuration, no overhead. Twos is great when you want speed, clarity, and you don't want to think about the tool. But there is a limit. As your workload grows, you may want more deliberate structure, clearer execution boundaries, more intention around what's going to get done today. And that's where tools start to differ. For context, this is how we do this in LemTask, which is the tool we use ourselves. Here, the focus shifts from capture to execution. As you scroll down, you'll see tasks are clearer, the day is more intentional. The system does more of the thinking for you. Twos is about staying light. LemTask is about staying focused. Both are valid, they just solve different problems. So, if you want the simplest possible daily task setup, twos works incredibly well when you keep everything in one list, avoid over-organizing, use it daily, trust the end-of-day flow. If you want to see this approach in full, LemTask is linked below. Thank you.